Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your Facebook error, login error on your iPhone. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also check your Wi-Fi network. So just go to the settings, just go to Wi-Fi if you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restart your phone. So just go to the settings, just open general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to remove your Facebook app and just install it again on your phone. So just go to App Store, just find here Facebook, and just tap on, you will see not open but get, just tap on get button and wait until it will successfully download and install Facebook on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.